Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're looking at the Hubspace app from Home Depot. Is it worth using for your smart home? Let's find out. Hubspace is Home Depot's smart home system. It works with lights, plugs, fans, and other devices from brands like Hampton Bay and Defiant. Everything connects through one app, no need for a separate hub. Just scan a code on your device and you're ready to go. Setup is super easy. Each product has a code you can scan with your phone. Within a minute, you're connected. The app lets you organize devices by room, set schedules, and control everything remotely. You can also use it with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. The best part? The prices are great compared to other smart home brands. Most items are way cheaper than similar products from bigger names. Now, the downsides. Many users complain about connection issues. Devices randomly show as offline. Some people struggle to connect products even when standing right next to them. The app works only with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, which can be annoying. Security is weak too. No two-factor login option, and you can use basic passwords. There's no Apple HomeKit support or Matter standard support either. If you want advanced features and automations, you'll be disappointed. Hubspace keeps things simple, maybe too simple. This app is perfect for beginners who want basic smart home control without spending much money. It's not for tech experts who need complex automations or top security. If you just want to turn lights on and off from your phone and set basic schedules, Hubspace does the job. Overall, Hubspace is decent for casual users on a budget. Just be ready for an occasional connection headache. And that's all for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.